สวัสดีค่ะเพื่อนๆพี่ๆสวัสดีค่ะ FC ทุกคนทุกท่านสวัสดีค่ะทุกคนสวัสดีเช้าวันพุธที่22คริสตศักราชที่23คริสตศักราช2022ค่ะสวัสดีและทักทายจากเมืองโซนบอลทางใต้ของประเทศเดนมาร์กนะคะแม่จับช็อกโกอาบน้ำวันนี้เมื่อช็อกโกอาบน้ำเสร็จแล้วช็อกโกก็จะมาแปรงขนนะจ๊ะช็อกโกก็จะมาแปรงขนนะจ๊ะ Good morning everyone Hi guys Good morning from Sønderborg of Denmark Today Mama take Choco to clean his fur. Choco have some shampoo on to clean his fur. So after that, Choco clean his fur. After finish his fur, Mama gonna brush Choco fur. Choco be ready for that. Choco be ready for clean your fur. Yeah. Good boy. Good boy. Oh. Good boy. So, Mama clean Choco fur. Mama want to clean Choco fur. Choco want that. Can Mama clean Choco fur? Brush your fur. It's not clean your fur, it's brush your fur. You just finished clean your fur already, so after that you have to brush your fur. Okay? So, go. Good boy. Sit down. Sit down, Choco. Sit down. Sit down. Be good boy. Be good boy. Choco, be good boy. Good boy. Huh? Come here. Come. Choco. Come here. Come here. Good boy. Good boy. Come here, Choco. Come. Sit. Come here. Oops. Who's good? Sorry, Choco. Sorry, Choco. What? Oh, Mama brush your fur, Choco, gently, okay? Okay? Mama brush Choco's fur gently. Come here. Come to Mama. Choco, be good boy. Come here. Come here, my little friends. Come here, sit down. Be good. Okay, be good. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Choco. Sit. Sit. Choco. Come. Here. Come here. Sit down. Sit down. Here. Come here. Sit down. Uh-oh, it's not easy, my little friend. You move around. Sit, Choco. Choco, sit down. Please. Be good boy. Not finished yet. Sit. Choco. Come. Sit down. Come here. Come here, little friend. Yeah, Mama loves Choco so much. Sit down and listen to Mama. Listen to Mama. Mama's wanting. Mama want to brush Choco for. Huh? Mama want to brush Choco for. Can I? Can I brush you for? Yeah. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah. Yeah, you can sniffing. You can sniffing your fur. You can sniffing your fur. Okay? Good boy. Good boy, little friend. Sit down. Sit down. Be good. Sit down. Good boy. Ooh. Mama love you. Mama love Choco. Mama love Choco so much. Hi. Hi, lilla ven. Hej, lilla ven. Hej, lilla ven. Hvordan har du det? Good boy. Det er godt. Det er godt. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come, little one. Come here to Mama. Dig it. Come here. Dig it. Yeah, dig it. Come here. Come. Dig. Good. Oh my God. It's not easy to take him laying down. He don't like it. Anyway, good boy, Sugar. Good boy, Sugar. Good boy. Let's see with Mama. Brush your fur a little bit. Here. Ooh, see that, Mama? Mama, brush your fur gently. Come here. Look at him. He don't want me to touch his. He don't like me to touch his tummy. Ooh, good boy. Laying down like that. Good boy. Good boy. Mama loves Sugar so much. So, done. It's done. Come here. Wish everyone have a great day. Thanks for watching. See you guys next video. Bye bye. Hi.